We found a new game store today, and we had to pick up a few items. I'll let Lauren talk about them real quick, but this is a place. It's called GamePlayers. It's in Brockport, New York. Is there an address on here? It's pretty cool. They don't just do video games. They do all kinds of board games and all that. That's the information. Yeah, there's some photos here of it. I got a bunch of stickers too. Where are my stickers? We gotta show them those too. Anyways, let's get.
They have a pretty good selection of games. Like they have a large variety.
They had a top loader.
Yeah, they had a top loader. They are a retail store, so their games are pretty priced according to price trading. Obviously, the Atari stuff like this goes for like $20. They had it at 12 because it's Atari, but it's a good price. Clax is spot on. Demon's Sword is spot on. River City Ransom. I'm assuming that was priced a little while ago because price trading has that at $39.
So we saved $10.
Yeah, we saved like $10. The Demon's Sword right where it needs to be at $8. Same as price trading. So their games were fairly priced. Some of them were a little bit above, but there was also some that were below. So as long as you do like your research and look it up, you can get a pretty decent price on stuff. Now their consoles and their handhelds and stuff were a little pricey, but that's normal in most retail stores because that's where they make a lot of their money off. Like their Game Boy Advance, Game Boy Colors were in the $100.
Yeah, they had a couple for $2 something.
Well, the ones that were in the 200s were modded. I'm pretty sure they were modded Game Boy Advances.
Yeah.
But
I'm sure Rob knows these guys.
They do have their selection's pretty good. They got some good quality titles. They literally have two 5200s in stock right now.
I know,
so
one box.
They have a top loader. They have a lot. If you're looking for Japanese stuff, go there.
Oh yeah. They had a lot
of imports.
Yeah,
they have Japanese consoles. They have Japanese games. They had the Super Game Boy 2 that I was looking for, but it was a little more pricey than I would want to pay for.
How much was it?
It was like $60.
Ooh, that's too much.
Yeah.
That's too much.
I'd rather order it.
We gotta play these. We got another 10 getting.
But their prices weren't too awful. Like their prices are right around like price charting. Right around price charting.
Yeah.
So you won't be getting screwed over too much. Like some retail stores are way worse.
Well, they gotta pay for their upkeep.
Yeah.
I don't have a problem with them making money.
Yeah.
It's when they take advantage, especially a brick and mortar. Yeah. I mean, it's one thing if you're at the flea market and they want to be jerks about it, they're paying $20.
These guys are right where you want to be with the pricing. I would still look up before you buy.
Far from home though. I'd much rather go to Mount Morris.
Yeah, Mount Morris is still our main one.
Yep.
Whenever we're in the Brockport area.
That's right. My niece is right down the road, so that's good to know there's a game store. She just moved in. That's where we were today. Stopped us from getting a speed run in, but that's okay. I won't get mad. Dang it.
The River City Ransom was a pretty good deal.
Yeah. We'll have to play them.
Like a couple of while ago.
Well, it's all about, the young guys.
Their more expensive stuff were marked pretty fairly.
Yeah.
So that was pretty good to see.
Yeah.
Like
I think everybody's board's looking at these four, so let's end this. Well, hopefully you dig and check them out. Again, that's GamePlayers, and they're in Brockport, New York at 4756 Lake Road South. GamePlayers, Brockport, New York. Lots of good stuff, and we're going to get some gameplay of this stuff later. I think we're going to leave that. Is that in box? It's not sealed though, right?
No, it's not sealed.
We'll play it. All right. Well, we're planning on doing some Atari tonight, so hopefully we get that done and we can toss a few of these in. We still got 5 more NES to go through. NES just takes some time, guys. We only play so much. All right. Well, I'll see you when I see ya. Peace.